Hello YouTube, in this video I will show you how to using animated titles and subtitles for videos. Add a text in the timeline. Go to text to speech to generate AI voice.
Hello CapCut, how are you?
For animated titles, now go to the caption and add auto caption.
Hello CapCut, how are you? Hello Cap. Hello Cap. Hello CapCut, how are you?
Now go to the templates and go for the right one.
Hello CapCut, how are you? Hello CapCut, how are you? Hello CapCut, how are you?